Good morning everyone. Today I will explain about downloading and installing an app. Downloading and installing. Downloading, technically speaking, downloading means transfer of a file from one system to another system, usually over the internet. Once the file is downloaded, we can use the file. Installing. Installing is the process of setting up a software for using in a system. See the image. See the another image. How can you use? To download and install an app from the Google Play Store, follow the steps. Tap on the Play Store icon on the screen of your device. Type the name of the app in the search bar that we wish to download. If we do not know the specific name, type a general description of the job that the app does. For example, educational apps for 8th standard science. It will display the relevant list of apps. Now select the most suitable one by tapping on the name of the app, for example, Byju's. Additional information about this app will be displayed, including whether any fee need to be paid. Check out the reviews and comments of previous users. If it meets your requirements, tap the install button to install the app on your device. The app will request us for permission to access a specific information from your phone. Confirm your consent and the app will be downloaded and installed on your phone. The app is now ready to use. Thank you.